Hey everyone, so let's summarize our entire hypothesis test from beginning to end. What have we done here? So first, remember we had the state our null and alternative hypothesis, and our null hypothesis is that S&P 500 average monthly return is not different before and after 2008. An alternative, interesting hypothesis is that the S&P 500 average monthly return is different before and after 2008. Therefore, it is not equal to zero. We then identified the test statistic and probability distribution. And remember, we assumed that these returns were approximately normal and that there were equal variances. We did not know the population variance, but we assumed that they were equal. We then determined our degrees of freedom, and it was 118. And we determined that a t distribution was most appropriate. We specified our decision rule, and that was a rejection point or t critical value of 1.98. And then we finally collected the data. We converted the prices to returns. We found the 60 months before and the 60 months after the event. So we found the sample of 60 months before and the sample of 60 months after. We looked at the different distributions visually, but we wanted to test it specifically with our test statistic, determined our pooled variance, and we also used the stats library to determine the actual t-value. So it was negative 2.21, and we found that that was larger than our t-critical value of 1.98, so we could reject the null hypothesis and therefore accept the alternative hypothesis that the returns are different before and after 2008. Therefore, we can make the statistical decision that there's something interesting here, and there seems that this event did have some effect on the returns before and after. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Till next time, thank you.